I am moving to India. It's not just a decision, it's a journey of emotions, memories, and a fresh start. Stay with me till the end because I will also share why I made this big move and what I'm looking forward to. So, after thinking for many months, I have finally decided I am leaving this place and going to India. It was not an easy decision. I had many questions in my heart. Will I adjust? Will I feel at home? Will I miss my old life? But something inside me said, go, it is time. Let me tell you why I decided to move. First, family. I miss my parents. I miss my cousins. Festivals are not the same without them. India is where I feel the warmth of home, the love, the noise, the laughter. Second, culture and lifestyle. I love Indian culture, the food, the colors, the celebrations. Yes, life is a bit busier there, but it's real, it's alive. Third, opportunities. I believe that today India is full of new chances for learning, growth, and creativity. I want to be part of that change. Of course, I will miss the place I am leaving. My friends, my room, my favorite coffee shop, my evening walks, they are all close to my heart. Packing my bags was emotional. Looked at old photos, read old letters, and I cried. But then I smiled too because every ending is a new beginning. I am excited to eat real street food again. Pani puri, samosas, chaat. I'm excited for festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Rakhi with family. I'm excited to speak my language, to bargain in markets, to meet new people. I want to travel more in India, see the mountains, beaches, villages, and big cities. There is so much to explore. And yes, I will continue making videos for you all from India. New places, new people, new stories, but same Deepti. But let me be honest, I know it won't be easy. The weather will be different. I may feel homesick sometimes. There may be power cuts, traffic, or noisy neighbors. But that is life. So, as I take this big step in my life, I just want to say, follow your heart. Sometimes the best thing in life happens when we are brave enough to change. I am not looking for perfection. I am looking for connection, and India gives me that. Thank you for listening to my story. Please comment and let me know. Have you ever moved to a new place? How did you feel? If you are also planning a move or going through a big change, just know you are not alone. Change is hard, but it's beautiful too. So, stay connected and remember, every change is a new chapter. Let's turn it together. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.